Good afternoon. This is Sam on for Sam's Sports Reportings. The Royals' new contract for. Let's start with the Royals. The Royals get a new contract for Seth Lugo. 2 years, $46 million. I like to see the club. The Royals are really spending has changed since John Sherman became the ball club owner. Just taking success without the stadium, he has done a really good job in my mind. The Royals are not looking like they're going to shell, but maybe stand pat. The Yankees are pivoting towards Joseph Kellen after Seth Lugo is re-signed with the Royals. As reported yesterday, the Royals have required Randall Gitchick. Now it seems Caglione and Chris Bibbigreen to go on the IL. I don't think they have enough minutes to survive two pitchers, but the Royals may pitch it there. Still way into the race since the Royals All-Star break. The Royals are 5-4. The Royals seem very unlikely to make the playoffs, but if they do, they need to start cooking now. They want to have a shot at the playoffs. The Royals, a guy mentioned that is 45, will go for the Royals. Mentioned by a guy at 5 over in each of the next 2 months. Mentioned by Nate Taylor of 41 on Sunday Soundoff. Rich Hill will get the nod for the Royals, and Spencer Strider will get the nod for the Braves. In most hitting roles, the Braves are 24 to 27th. The Royals are down to the bottom of the half for most offensive powers, like 28th. The Braves are the favored team to win tonight. The Royals will have 45-year-old Rich Hill, as mentioned, against Spencer Strider. Game time 6:40. Also, let's go through the power rankings of the MLB now that we got that underway. Cubs are number 1. We know the fans are going to be yelling at the Cubs are also much higher on the list. They are considering how closely they are standing, but healthily. 2 teams play this week. Can settle on the issue. He's one of the quiet Cubs' success this year. There is no 6-9 hitters in the major league. He's batting 267 with a 326 percentage and slugging .432. Pretty good for a club. Also has Pete Armstrong and Kyle Tucker. Seiya Suzuki and Noam who have batted in the 6th place. The Cardinals coming in at 17. The Cardinals did rebound from a miserable potential season alternating series lost by Denver and the Rockies first 2 at Busch Stadium this week. And against the Padres team, they are chasing in the wild card race, but loses Saturday and Sunday dropped them 3.5 games back, probably into on the selling mode for the Cardinals. Now on to the Kansas City Royals, who are at 19th. It's not often you see a 500 team trading for pending free agents. This time you are seeing you've got credit, the definition to a right-handed bat at addressing the hit with the trade for veteran Randall Gitchick. The question is whether the Royals will be helped. He will be enough to help make a run into the playoffs if any single player could be. Here's that link. And now we go on to the Cardinals. The Cardinals are struggling right now and look like they are going to maybe sell. From what I've heard, the Cardinals lose yesterday 9-2 and now play the struggling Marlins. As the Cardinals are just a game over 500. Andre Platt will go for the Cardinals. He'll pitch for the home team. Edward Cabrera will go for the Marlins. The Cardinals need a few more wins by Thursday if they want to remain buyers. Edwin Cabrera will go for the Marlins and Andre Platt will go for the Cardinals. Game time 6:45. Madden 99 Club, starting from your left to your right as you stall out. Lane Johnson, Eagles number 65, moving to it. Not to say his number, but the second player on the right, Lamar Jackson, number 8. Number 1, you can't see it, Jamar Chase. Also number 26, you can barely see it, showing Saquon Barkley. Number 18 of the Minnesota Vikings, Justin Jefferson. Number 17 of the Buffalo Bills, Josh Allen. Number 95, Myles Garrett. Now on to the NFL. Justin Fields was carted off the field last week. Now he returns today with not as big an injury as many people thought. The Raiders defensive tackle Christian Wilkerson have been on a contract dispute over his foot surgery. Now the team has declined several options and released him. The Chargers, Rashawn Slater becomes the highest paid tackle. He is guaranteed $72 million while he sat out of this week's practice. Broncos Drew Sanders, an update coming on defender, suffered a tendon injury in his foot practice that will keep him out for an extended period of time. Madden 99 Club, starting from your left to your right as you stall out. Lane Johnson, Eagles number 65, moving to it. Not to say his number, but the second player on the right, Lamar Jackson, number 8. Number 1, you can't see it, Jamar Chase. Also number 26, you can barely see it, showing Saquon Barkley. Number 18 of the Minnesota Vikings, Justin Jefferson. Number 17 of the Buffalo Bills, Josh Allen. Number 95, Myles Garrett. Maybe an upset as Patrick Mahomes did not make the 99 Club. I also have some news on TMS. I'm going to share them with you. The ticking noise, the tick, 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 tick. And you hear in the video, it's supposed to make changes on the brain injury and turn up like treatment like they do. This features here's that video. This features a non-medical transmedical stimulation in the impressive brain stimulation techniques and to treat depression other than mental health conditions, especially when medications haven't worked overall. If you hear the clicking noise, as you saw in the previous video, it kind of shows what it looks like when you can have all normal, when you can have the ticking have a part taking place in this, and that's how they treat the depression on the side of the clicking noise. It's on 66. It's 60% on helping treatment-resistant depression. Also designated treats OCD and depression. As many have known, there is no cure for depression and OCD. Results last 6 to 12 months. Here's more. The tick, 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 tick. And you hear in the video, it's supposed to make changes on the brain injury and turn up like treatment like they do. Here's that video.
All right, so this is Dr. Bonakdar getting her treatment. How do you feel, Dr. Bonakdar?
So this is the first time I'm having this treatment done, and it feels just fine. And it's not painful.
Excellent.
It's very comfortable.
Excellent. So this is her first TMS session. We're doing a theta burst protocol. We've got the target set, and there's no discomfort so far. Hopefully there won't be ever, which we don't expect. She's doing great, and we're on our way to brain rejuvenation. All right, great.